What's going on, gardeners? This is another quick video from Abundant Gardening. Today I have my Jadam liquid fertilizer. As you can see, this is an anaerobic process. I'm also getting it ready for winter. So all you really need to do in order to create this is go get yourself some vegetable scraps, some plant scraps, any sort of scrap, leafy green material will do. Even brown material will work perfectly fine, because the process in this is the anaerobic process, which you want. That's the way of making this fertilizer. Then what you will want to do is get your leaf mold, which is just go to the oldest forest in your area, go to that oldest tree, and all that fluffy material at the base of that tree, that is your leaf mold. Then after that, what you want to do is fill your bucket to probably right about there with water. But if you're getting ready for winter, all you want to do is leave the solids with a little bit of water. Because, yeah, the bucket will freeze solid, especially in colder climates, and you really don't want your buckets bursting, especially if you plan on doing like a 55-gallon drum of this, or any sort of bigger way. You just don't want that to happen. So, until then, you would just need to let this sit for a few weeks, a few months. Any of those will really work. Because the longer that this fertilizer sits, the better. And when you're ready to use it on your plants, you use it as a 1:16 ratio, which is 1 part water to, 1 part fertilizer, to 16 parts water, or 1 cup to a gallon. And that will supercharge your plants. You really don't have to worry about NPK. All you have to do is put this on your plants, and they'll thrive.